Haiti, the first country victim of the crusade and the doctrine of discovery. It has the key to understand what is really taking place nowadays here in America and throughout the world. In order to understand why this categorized third commercial world country, we need to go back to the foundation of our own understanding of religion, commerce, government, and our ability to do critical thinking. Have you ever wondered why Palestine, the land of rocks and sand, labeled as the promised land? Do you realize that the richest people in the world has a Jewish faith? Do you believe that all America's commercial rights belongs to the Moorish Empire and that all of its law is managed by the Pope under the canon laws? All these is to manage countries, people, and resources. So in order to understand why government does not represent the people, you have to know the hands behind the scene, as they have everything to do with the demise and misery that your country is going through. As they control your judgment through emotion, all is riot, disease, warfare, instabilities, you name it. All these represents chaos and surely destructions, which is very hard to rebuild. But it also gives us a chance to change the narrative. So the foundation has put a platform together that allows the people to build with us for their own needs and understand that what we are is government affecting each other and should be protecting one another. However, a new form of education needs to take place and a new core needs to be put in. The diaspora realizes that we do need the tools to get things done. And even if Haiti may not have all tools, outside of Haiti, the diaspora can combine their strength, their abilities, convictions, and fearlessness. And only then, together, we can actually do something about the security, agriculture, the mining, construction, and all type of innovative industries. Join us at www.awakenht.org. Become a member, participate, and liberate. We love you for who you are and what you are meant to do. Thank you.